for parrot, talk all day. S for sparrow, chirp away.
P for pigeon, flying free. E for eagle, brave as can be.
H for hummingbird, flap so fast. T for toucan, colors that last. L for lovebird, L, always two. Q for quail, Q, family crew. M for magpie, clever and neat. B for blue jay, chirp so sweet. C for cockatoo, bright and loud. F for falcon, fast and proud. S for stork, tall and slow. K for kingfisher, splash, let's go. C for canary live, sing all day. R for robin, bright and gay. D for dove, symbol of peace. M for macaw, colors increase. R for rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. T for turkey, gobble too. P for peacock, colors bright. F for flamingo, pink and light. C for cuckoo, sing so sweet. P for passerine, tiny and neat. C for crow, clever and smart. P for peacock chick, full of heart. S for swan, so calm and neat. D for duck, splash your feet. G for goose, honk and play. S for seagull, flies all day. O for owl, hoot at night. P for penguin, slide in delight. S for stork, tall and kind. B for bulbul, song in mind.
Subscribe to the channel and like the bell icon. Thanks for watching LevelUp Talks production. See you soon again.